Okay, so to start your Gizzier Skin eyeliner effect, you need to pull your eye taut, okay? I'm using a liquid liner that's in a compact with a brush. You could use your own liquid liner that's normally in a pen. So you notice that I start from the outside and drag it inwards. You'll just see here, from the outside I drag it inwards. And I get that kind of point on the end. And then I turn the brush around and go from the inwards outwards. Keep it as close to your lashes as possible and you should be all right. Always pulling that skin tight, then you get that nice point on the end. And then just throw the old mascara on and you have your lovely cat eye eyeliner. Give it a go. It takes a few practices, but you'll get there.